Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Gan of Python. In the last tutorial, we have covered the slicing of array, how we can slice our array. So guys, if you have not seen that video, please go and check that one. So in this tutorial, we will start that is two-dimensional array and the matrix. How we can find that is this is a two-dimensional array or one-dimensional array. So let's get started, guys. First of all, we will import the package called NumPy as np. Then we will create one list and we will give that we will give the range till 20. So it is created now. That list we will give the we'll put that in letter A. So we can call now. So this is a list we have created till 20. Okay, so now this is a one dimensional array. Okay, we'll convert it into array, that is np dot array. We'll put this a into inside this one. So it is one dimensional array because it is written in only one list. You can see the list format, this one, it is only a one. So we can call this is a one dimensional array. We'll put this in attribute, that is b. We can call that b now. Okay, this is a array, one dimensional array. We can now this is a one dimensional array. How to convert it into two dimensional array? So that we need to reshape this one np dot. So these are the like packages inside this one, functions we can say inside this numpy. So one function is reshape. Okay, what you have to reshape, that is b. How to reshape, that is you have to give the column rows and column. We can give the 5 columns and 4 rows. Once you will execute, you will get in the matrix format. How we can find this is a two-dimensional array? You can see this is written in only one list and you can see it is a two list. Okay, so that's why we can easily consider that this is a one dimensional array and this matrix is a two dimensional array. Okay guys, now we'll put this in a attribute. We'll see, we'll call that c now. Okay, this is a two dimensional array. Now in this 5 means this 5 rows and the 4 column, that is 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so we can give, if you want to reshape, you can reshape that as well. Now guys, if you want to slice your this matrix, how we can do that? Simply, if you want this element from the matrix 5, if you want 5, if you want to fetch out the 5, how we can do that? Simply we have to write the c and the list format, then see this index start from 0 0 1 2 3 4. First we have to give the row. On what row, in which row this 5 is coming, that is 1 and 2. Just give the index starting from 0 and 1, and that's why we are giving 1 over here, then comma, then in which column, that is 0 and 1 column 1. Once you will execute, you will get 5. See, 0 1 1 row, this is first row and this is first column. Okay, so that's why we have to give the 1 and 1. If you want to fetch this 6, simply we have to give the 0 and this is 1 first row, then 0 1 and 2. You have to give the 2 over here. You can fetch the 6. Okay, if you want to fetch out the 2 by 2 matrix, so if you want to fetch out the 6 and 7 and 10 and 9, 10 and 11, so simply see, you have to give the 0 colon 2. I will explain guys. Then 0 1 2 colon 4. Once you will execute, see 2 3, sorry, we have executed this one. We'll put this in and we will give this 3. See guys, now 1 means the index starting from 0, so I have given 1 and 3. 1 means 0 1 and 2 will include but 3 will not include. Okay, so this 2 column will these 2 rows will include in this. Then what is the next condition? That is 2 colon 4. 2 colon 4 means 0 1 2. this 2 and 3 will include. Okay, fourth will not include. That's why I have given 2 and 3. Means common. What are the common elements? This is 6, 7, and 10, 11 will include in this. So likewise, you can fetch. You can call. What are the elements you want? You can go for the next one as well. 4. So you can go the what are the matrix you want? 2 by 2 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix, 2 by 3 matrix, 3 by 4 matrix. So likewise you can fetch out that matrix as well from your own matrix. Okay, so guys, hope this will make sense how to convert the two-dimensional array and how to find out that this is a two-dimensional array and how can we fetch the value from our matrix. Thank you guys. In the next tutorial we will see some more steps. Thank you guys.